bud. Hello. Look at Mama.
Yeah, just Target.
Hi. Hey, you want to say hi? You haven't vlogged in a while. Did you want to say hi or no? Hi. Hello. Don't be shy. They've been asking about you. They're like, where's KK?
Take them to be famous.
Yeah.
What happened? Why'd you leave him?
Camera shy.
Come on, Preston. Hold his hand.
Come on, guys.
Hold his hand. Oh, he wants to hold your hand.
Hey, and slow down, Tom. You're too fast.
So we just finished brunch and now we're gonna go get halal, guys. Well, we're here. We're getting it now.
You want anything? We're eating again. Do you want anything?
Yeah.
No. I don't want anything. I guess they're so hungry.
Well, be careful now.
Hey guys, I'm inside of Target again. Well, I just had to stop by and get a few things for the house. Got to pick up some contact solution for Hannah. I have to get another Chex Mix because we're making another Muddy Buddy thing. And let's see, just a few things to pick up today. It's raining outside again. It was sunny for like 5 minutes, but it's raining again. Okay, we're home now, guys. And we have a little science project going on. My beloved highlighter broke on me. So she's trying to repair it, and she said all you need to do is put alcohol in it?
Yes. This is 70%.
Oh!
I'm just gonna put it in a spoon. Huh? Oh. So you just gotta basically, you're supposed to break it more, but she won't let me, so.
I guess you can break it more.
Because you're just supposed to get it really wet. Here, I just do this.
So just break it then.
No, I'm just gonna do it like this. So I'm just kind of wedging it back together now.
Oh, that's pretty cool. And you said this doesn't mess up the product?
It does not mess with the product at all.
Are you sure?
I'm positive. I've done this with powders and highlighters and blushes. And then you just let it dry. And once it becomes dry, you got your product back.
But how come it looks ugly?
Well, I mean, you're kind of mixing it, boo. Do you want me to make the lines for you?
No, but I could see that it's like demented right there. How come it's not smooth?
Because I'm not smoothing everything out. Would you like me to use my finger and try to smooth it out for you?
I don't know, it just looks ugly. You're contaminating my highlighter now.
I washed my hands already.
Oh my god, this is going on my face.
Your face will be fine with this, okay, guys? I'm just repairing it.
Okay, so how long do you let this sit?
Just let it dry overnight.
And then that's
alcohol dries it up.
Okay,
Correct.
But what about like the edges? Because that's dirty. Because that looks ugly. So what do you do?
You want to use the toothpick and then go around the corners for you?
Yeah. So what are you doing now?
I'm just cleaning up the edges for you because you don't like it.
Yeah.
Ugly.
Oh, look, you're messing it up again.
I could put more alcohol in there.
Look, how come there's like a little dent?
Oh, there's kids on here, you guys, it's fine. Once it dries, the purpose of this is just to make sure it doesn't crack anymore.
Oh, Lord. I messed it up again. Okay, repair it. All right. She's putting it back together, guys.
Because she broke it. Again.
Wait, is it gonna fall out next time?
No, just let it dry.
Okay, so 24 hours.
Yeah.
Got it. She eats, oh my Lord, extra spicy.
It's delicious, you guys.
Oh my God, that looks scary AF. Ew. Ew. This is life right now. Some avocado toast. a nice iced coffee. Courtesy of. Thank you. Appreciate it. What's going on? You got 2 chicken wings? Hmm? Yeah. Yummy? Yummy?
Let's do it faster.
It's Saturday, about 11:45. Just dropped off Hannah at the airport. Hi, Ashley. Hi, Preston.
Hi, Preston.
He's busy. We're about to go eat noodles right now down at University Village. After we go eat, then we're gonna go to Bamboo and visit my friend and hang out, and that's it. Yummy. About to eat. Let me dip my broccoli in here.
Being busy. Thanks.
We're out here at Bamboo in UW. So cute in here, you guys. You can hang out. And I got the artichoke, royal artichoke. We got the bamboo special. Peace got the coconut. We're just hanging out. Want some?
Thanks for the drinks. So good.
Yummy. You're freaking mean.
Like, yeah, we didn't go to the...
You're so mean. Preston special.
Like it? Yes.
Hi, Preston. Hi. What's going on? $5.99? Yum. We're about to eat. Yummy. Hey. What are you laughing at? What are you laughing at? What's so funny? Hey. What's so funny? What's so... Oh. Raga na. Raga na. What's so funny? Huh? What's so funny, bud? Ah! Good morning, guys. It is Monday, January 29th, and it's about 2:30. The weather is very crappy outside. It's rainy, very rainy actually. It's been raining the last couple days now. And I just picked up some KFC hot wings. By the way, do you know why they call it hot wings? It's because they're hot, as in temperature, not as in spicy. I thought they called it hot wings because it was spicy, but apparently they call it hot because of the temperature, and it's made to order. So anyways, I picked up a 20-piece and I'm going home. I just left the doctor's office. I'm gonna put the camera down right here. So I just left the doctor's office. I was supposed to go to her tomorrow for my 32-week checkup, but I had to move it to today, and luckily they were able to accommodate me. But the reason why I wanted to go today was because I'm so excited. We're actually going to Hawaii tomorrow, and I just wanted to clear it with her and make sure that I was okay to travel, because I'll be 33 weeks tomorrow. So I just wanted to make sure that I was okay to travel and that everything would be you know, nice and smooth. So this Hawaii trip will be the Babymoon, and I'm so excited because it was a very last minute thing. Are you okay? It was a very last minute decision to go, and I'm so excited that we're able to go because I've been wanting to take like a little family trip with P, and so I'm so excited that we finally get to get away and get some sun, vitamin D, some water, some coconut juice. And none of us have ever been to Hawaii, so it's gonna be very fun and exciting. I'm so happy that my OB okayed me to go because she's very strict. So I was like so nervous to ask her if I could even go. I was like, so when am I gonna be cut off for traveling? And she's like, where are you going? And I was like, Hawaii. She's like, when? I was like, soon, like this week. And she's like, yeah, it should be fine. So I was like, whoosh. So gotta get home now and clean up, get situated, pack, do laundry, and book our hotel and stuff. So I am so excited, you guys. Get away from this rain for a minute. Are you okay? Are you okay, Preston? Oh. No, my God. I gave him a piece of chicken back there, but it's super hot, so he's mad. Toy đi con, toy. Toy. Mommy kêu thổi con. Silly. Okay, so that's the update, you guys. I'm gonna get home now and get everything situated. We're going to Hawaii. We're going to Hawaii. We're going to Hawaii. Good morning, guys. It is Tuesday and it is 7:30 in the morning. I'm at the airport, at Seattle Airport, waiting for my flight. The flight takes off at 9. We're here a little bit early, just because I wanted to get settled in. But I've been up since 4 this morning because last night I didn't finish packing. He's over here sleeping. Hello. He's super tired. He's super tired because he was up with me at 4. He kept waking up, and then I snuck off to do my makeup and like start packing and stuff, and then all of a sudden I heard little footsteps, and then the bathroom door opens and comes in Preston. So yeah, just having a little breakfast right now. I got my matcha latte from Coffee Bean because I love Coffee Bean and I love their matcha latte. I don't really like the green tea latte at Starbucks because it's too sweet. So yeah, and then I'm gonna have a little bagel too.